Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the Windows 10 login password and lock screen. And this is very easy to do. Now I'm on Windows 11, but this is going to be the same process. Let's go on down to the Start button right here, and then go on over to Settings. Then select this. Let's go on down to where it says Accounts and select this. Then scroll on down under here until we get to Sign In Options. Select this. Now go to Additional Settings, and you want to look for this setting. And this says on Windows 11, if you've been away, when should Windows require you to sign in again? It says when a PC wakes from sleep. Let's change it to never. Now, when you go ahead and put your computer to sleep and you try logging back in, you won't have to sign back in with a password or PIN. Just simply switch this from when PC wakes from sleep and switch it to never and restart your computer, and you should be good to go with this setting change. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.